Summarization of LangChain experimental autonomous agents autogpt outputparser BaseAutoGPT outputparser. NaN. Base class for output parsers used in AutoGPT. This class is the foundation for processing information from various tools that AutoGPT interacts with. It ensures that all output parsers follow a uniform approach, making the agent's interactions with tools more consistent. Component 1. Parses the output from a tool and extracts relevant information. This component is responsible for deciphering the output from a tool, be it text, data, or other formats. It then identifies and isolates the crucial information that the AutoGPT agent needs to continue its task. For example, if the tool is a web search engine, this component might extract relevant URLs or key phrases from the search results. Component 2. Uses the extracted information to update the agent's memory and state. This component takes the processed information from the previous component and updates the agent's knowledge base. It helps the agent learn from its interactions with tools, building its understanding of the task and the world around it. This process is crucial for the agent's ability to adapt and improve over time. Imagine a scenario where AutoGPT is tasked with finding information about a specific topic. This component would store the extracted information from various sources in the agent's memory, making it available for later reference and decision-making. Implements a common interface for all output parsers. This ensures that regardless of the specific tool being used, the agent can interact with it through a standardized method. It allows for easier integration of new tools and facilitates the development of different parsing strategies without compromising the core functionality of the agent. This approach promotes flexibility and extensibility within the AutoGPT framework. Enables AutoGPT to effectively interpret and process tool responses. This role is critical to AutoGPT's ability to learn and adapt, making it a powerful tool for diverse tasks. By standardizing the parsing process, this component ensures that AutoGPT can understand and utilize the information provided by various tools, regardless of their output format. Imagine a scenario where AutoGPT uses multiple tools, like a web search engine, a database, and a natural language processing model. This component ensures that AutoGPT can seamlessly integrate and interpret the output from each of these tools, enabling it to complete its task effectively. Provides a consistent structure for handling diverse tool outputs. This aspect enhances the agent's ability to work with a wide range of tools without requiring significant changes in its core logic. It promotes code reusability and makes it easier to add new tools to the agent's repertoire. Consider a scenario where AutoGPT is used for various tasks, such as writing a blog post, booking a flight, or conducting market research. This component ensures that the agent can efficiently process outputs from diverse tools, like content generators, travel booking platforms, and market research tools, without needing specialized parsing logic for each one. Enhances the agent's ability to learn and adapt. By consistently storing processed information in the agent's memory, this component contributes to the agent's learning process. The agent can analyze this information, identify patterns, and improve its decision-making abilities over time. Imagine a scenario where AutoGPT is tasked with writing a series of blog posts. With each task, this component will process the output from different tools, like content generators, research tools, and editing tools. As the agent progresses, it can learn from this information, improve its writing style, and even identify new tools or techniques that could improve its performance. Handling complex or unstructured output formats. The ability to parse outputs from tools that produce unstructured data, such as text with mixed formatting, multimedia elements, or irregular data structures, presents a significant challenge. For instance, if AutoGPT needs to extract information from a website with a complex layout or a document with multiple nested tables, the parsing component needs to be robust enough to handle these challenges. Maintaining compatibility with different tools. The constant evolution of tools and the introduction of new tools with unique output formats can pose a challenge for the agent's ability to maintain compatibility. This component must be flexible enough to adapt to these changes without requiring significant rework or compromising the agent's core functionality. Imagine a scenario where a new tool with a unique output format is introduced. The parsing component needs to adapt quickly to handle this new format without interrupting the agent's workflow.